students. Today our topic is aggression. In this topic we will discuss about meaning of aggression, type of aggression and concept of aggression in sports. Let's start with aggression. What is aggression? Aggression is an intentional behavior. It is an intent is to harm other. The victim want to avoid the harm. Violence is violence. Aggression with the goal extreme physical harm, that called violence. So aggression is defined as the any behavior directed toward intentionally harming or injuring either physically or psychologically to another person or another living thing. So what is aggression? Aggression is the intentional behavior. Intentional behavior to harm or to injure other person, like physically or psychologically. Like we will injure the other person with any physical injury or any mental type of injury, that call it's our intentional behavior. It is intentionally done by a person to harm other or to injure other person. And in other word, what is aggression? Aggression is a harmful behavior which violates social convention. What is aggression? Aggression is a harmful behavior. It is not a good behavior. It is a harmful behavior which violates social conventions. Okay, students. Now there are some definitions of aggression. First is according to uh, according to Merriam-Webster dictionary, aggression is a behavior that is intent to hurt another person or a group. As I said earlier, aggression is the intent behavior to hurt or to injure other person. Now, according to Bandura says what is aggression? Aggression behavior that result in personal injury or destruction of property. It is a behavior. Aggression is a behavior that result. Which kind of result? To injure personal injury or destruction of property. Because when we are in aggression, we are in state of not think what is good or what is bad for us. When we are not in state of uh, strong emotional behavior, we lose our temper and uh, at that time we injure ourselves. So Bandura said it is a behavior which intent result, but which kind of result? To personal injury or to destruction the property. Now students, after that there are four type of aggression. First is hostile is hostile aggression. Second is instrumental aggression. Third is passive aggression, and fourth is active aggression. So first we start with hostile aggression. Hostile aggression is basically sorry, it is the main aim of hostile aggression is to cause harm or to injure the opponent. During the hostile injury, we are very hot, impulsive, intention used to harm other. The goal is to causes injury to the victim. The main cause, the main aim of the hostile aggression is to injure the injure the opponent. So student, hostile aggression is very dangerous because in hostile aggression our main objective or our main aim to injure the other person, that called hostile aggression. Now second is instrumental aggression. In instrumental aggression the main aim is to achieve a goal by using aggression. In games we use aggression not only to harm other, but uh, to win the match or to win the tournament. In this aggression, instrumental aggression, where our goal is to achieve the desired goal. Our aim to achieve the goal by using aggression. Through aggression, we need to change. We Our aim to uh, achieve the main objective or main aim of the aim to achieve the goal. So that called instrumental aggression. There are some factors which influencing sport aggression like skill ability, game situation, temperature, and traditional rivalry. Where skill ability like player who have less skill ability are more aggressive than the player who have good skill ability. A player uh, who have less ability or less skill ability are more aggressive because they want to compete with the person who are more skill ability like a more skill ability. So uh, they get more aggressive. Second is game situation. When game conduct very smoothly, there is no aggression, we can but more aggression occur when there is a big difference in score. For example, if we play a cricket match, if we change a 410 score in 50 over, we need more aggression to achieve the goal or to score 411 run in just 50 over. According to the temperature, high temperature leads to high aggression of individual and he become more aggressive. If the temperature is very high, then the individual are more aggressive, and because of more aggression, the we lose our temper. These are the factors influencing. Now there are third type, that is passive aggression. Passive aggression is harming other by withholding a behavior. For example, purposely failing to convey an important message. This type of aggression is not important, but and the last aggression is active aggression. Active aggression is to harming other by performing a behavior. For example, spreading vicious rumors. Active aggression like we are spreading some rumors that they mentally mentally torture of other person. Like if we compete with the team, we will mentally trying to mentally weak the team. This is called active aggression. We can actively take part and trying to trying to break the confidence of the other team. This is called active aggression. So we will spread some rumors like this could be happen or this could not be happen. At the end, I will again tell you what is aggression. Aggression is defined by behavior that cause harm. For example, hitting, pushing, uh, versus verbal threat. In aggression, defined by outcome or behavior. For example, successful versus unsuccessful attempt to aggress. Or does aggression reside an intention of aggression? For example, harm caused or accident versus harm caused by intent. There is like instrumental aggression. As I said earlier, instrumental aggression is a rational and calculated, where the main aim of instrumental aggression to achieve the goal by using aggression. And emotional aggression is a reactive and impulsive. Aggression is driven by feeling, when our feeling or our emotion not in our control. For example, anger, often the absence of rational cost benefit analyze. Hostile aggression. What is hostile aggression? Hostile aggression, the main aim of hostile aggression to injure or to cause harm to the opponent. So at the end, Aggression directed toward the goal harming another living being who is motivated to such treatment. So student, hope you will understand what is aggression. Thank you so much.